uzoba neproblem vele sokuthi kufuna sikugeze sisuse ithunzi lalabantu noma siyenzini ngomuntu nokuthi prof hey wayizoma bani kwa enelento se affect surgery yami prof mangiphuma esibhedlele ngiye surgery yami surgery akusangeni bantu ngoba ugcwele ithunzi. Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo iTsogo TV onivuselayo uProfessor CM Lukhuleni ngithi nasi specially senhlanhla ngomhla ka27 April sobe sigaza abantu siphakamisa abantu abafuna ikhundla nani sithi ne2.5 kuphela bafowethu uzothatha amandla akho izimpilo yakho ichange nje kanjalo nje. Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo iTsogo TV uProfessor CM Lukhuleni ngihamba naye uBrakebing thengi hijack namhla nithi kacha ngoba uyabona nawe ngiphuthumile ngigijima kakhulu ngiofisini nje ngibona ngimuhle kangaka bafowethu ungazi ukuthi kanti uprof uyashada nangishada bafowethu nina bathandi bayo iTsogo TV ngithi bafowethu uNkulunkulu sesemuhle ungasesengakimi usangilondile futhi usangigcinile usase nami nalendoda bazama ngezicitho bazama ngeimpungane bazama bafaka nje izinto eziningi bafaka izibungu bafaka inyosi bayenza konke kanti siyazikhanda inyosi avela zathi vuza mazifika zathola lendoda ime ngenyawo ezimbili iphathi imkhonto emibili ithi buyani madoda ngokusho njalo sho ukuthi bafowethu sisekhona ngithe ithi ngibize umalume wabazukulu abathathu
Karabo Bonolo
udirile Karabo Bonolo udirile malume KB. How are you, sir?
Sawonga Prof, my apologies for just what you just saw on Kona Manje. Welcome to TV, welcome to arguably one of the best channels in this particular genre on YouTube, because of you guys, because of your support and because of everything. You know, I'm in a what mood this week. I'm thanking everybody who's been in my life because of I've got beautiful things that bring in my life. This man is the guy who started it all. If it wasn't for him, at this point in my life, I wouldn't be where I am. So, Prof Nyabonga, I will never stop thanking you. I'm managing Sati. Thank you. 3 years later, I'm still saying thank you very much for saving my life. But anyway, that aside, today it's gonna be a fast one because Prof is going somewhere. Very important. And I'm still in my Mr. Price outfit. Prof, in the past you used to have izinto for abodokotela amanes abafika la bathi ndoman ngibona into ethusayo emsebenzini umuntu ushone phambi kwami so ngiyasaba ukuthi lento le izowela kimi kanjani and then you'd give them something abodokotela so manje you saying ukuthi you've brought everything under one thing, under one roof. You give it as umuthi axis twalo bayithi bahlala bathi thina sitholisa abantu. This one axis twalo ihashi elimhlophe. This is for abantu abasebenza in the health or medical sector that deal with ukufa abantu abafayo nani abantu abana but that are responsible for abortions and you say Unguti, when something like that happens, this thing, the spirit or whatever bad thing that comes out of that incident should not latch onto you, but so please tell us about the ashi limhlopa wawuyenzile lento le and nabantu abazoyithatha like ukuthi abubani kahle.
Brakebi asifaka udokotela asifaka inesi sifaka umuntu osebenza njengomuntu agcine ukuthi kungenzeka lo muntu aluze impilo yakhe. Remember kunabantu abathi ma forensic
pathology yeah
those people Brakebi
they enter into
umuntu mafika so nesithunza usamtholi abanye uthola ukuthi balapha emushari brakb bayafika bot prof likhuleni bazosebenza umuntu bangamela ilamandla obumnyama so uthola umuntu wakhona ngathi sowumukile omunye kuyabona ama doctor the lot of doctors they are drinking
for sure you're right there
whiskey too much whiskey hayi ukuthi baphuzisa ukuthi they love i-whiskey but baphuzisa ukuthi bane-stress so ukuthi ithi kundlule lo ngilale ngingaboni ukuthi konje bokufika lo ahlikiza lapha azawashonela ezandleni zami uzama ukulalisa into as experiencer emsebenzini so izinto lezi ziya-affect empilweni yomuntu especially umuntu ophuma umphefumulo yobona singabantu abamnyama noma umhlophe noma unjani kodwa uma umuntu uphila uhamba igazi leli lihamba lakini uzoba neproblem vele sokuthi kufuna sikugeze sisuse ithunzi lalabantu noma senzeni ngomuntu unokuthi prof hey wayizoma bani kwa enelento se affect surgery yami prof mangiphuma esibhedlele ngiyesurgery yami surgery akusangeni bantu ngoba ugcwele ithunzi elimnyama manje bacabanga uDr Likhuleni bavele bathi hey angila sombona next year ayifuna uDr hayi ngcono ngeka Dr Maswanganyi ngani uDr Maswanganyi uphethe ihashe limhlophe so liyamcleana yena njalo akabe nezinto ezimkhwelayo zimbangela isithunzi
okay. So, manje, the question is, because actually when I brought Umngani wami here, I'm not going to say to Wenza, but the question becomes, Uguti, lento le, kahle yini, and I couldn't answer that question, Uguti, ngihamba nani kahle la, ispoke, umuti, into esihlanganisiwe. Okay, I know what I actually spoke, guys. I know this time, I didn't use this spoke, but I just want you to assure in public what did you use in terms, not necessarily, of course, revealing everything, but and then, of course, what's the story? I just want to know what eventually
ihashe kuze sithi ihashe limhlophe remember ukuthi ihashi liyaphuthuma li fast so yilo likwazi ukuthwala imithwalo yethu
okay
so that is why ngithe ihashe limhlophe likwazi ukugijima libambe lento ingakanamatheli kuwe yes kwenzeke umsebenzi lo muntu uqeda uma sathi ufala imshini vele ithi chayile but hayi sizamile but we couldn't make it and then se into esifuna ukuthi yenzeke siyenzele ukuthi umuntu lo lesikhathi ukuphuma umphefumulo uyahluthuka lo muntu phela that is why ibhedlela eziningi abantu abashonele ibhedlela kunabo doctor ugcina umbone naye lo doctor ngathi network yakhe iyalahlela but mombhekile uphilile but ilahlekisa ukuthi so yena izandla zakhe abantu abafela izandleni zakhe sebaningi kakhulu
so this thing carries whatever away I understand that part nokuthi it's the what umhlophe purity yakhona but into engibuza ukuthi is it a horse ewivusile na what's the story behind
umuthi brakb
okay
umuthi ojulile ongafakwanga izinto izipoko nani kodwa umuthi onesisindo imithi le iyahluka kephi kunomuthi okuhlambulula umnyama so ihashe limhlophe lihlambulula yonke into ilifuna udokotela lifuna inesi lifuna umbelethisi lifunani also remember naye abantu bamanesi baba neproblem ukuthi umuntu uthola umntwana lapha mathola umntwana omunye uyamosha omunye yenzana isicitho leso so kufuneka into zokuthi ayizingambambe lo muntu kusase sogcina ukuthi hey unecala wena la emsebenzini ngoba umuntu bani ufile ulandela izinto ongakaze wazenza
okay all right so akuvuswanga ihashi ngempela la okay
yeah ihashi ngoba linomuthi
okay
usheshayo
namathambo yashi
yeah
okay all right
ilapha ibrakb umuzela kancane yamazi asikho lapho bale
ngicathele enhloko ngifuna ihashe elimhlophe ngize ekhaya sicala kuphi and until ngiphuma ngegate
angeke sithi siya consult brakb because uvela usho ukuthi no prof ngifuna ihashe elimhlophe reason being ngifuna ihashe elimhlophe ngine business ngine surgery and then ngisebenza emushari or ngudokotela ngine surgery ngiphinde futhi ngisebenza esibhedlela ngisuka esibhedlela bese ngisurgery so into esifike siyenze sifike ukuqala ngokucleana ukuthi uma umukela lo ihashe elimhlophe ulumukele unimukele uclean
Oh, okay. All right.
so that ingafiki uyibambe kanti kwawena ukho clean.
Okay.
So sicleana wena kuqala bese sithi nayo now hamba nayo lento.
All right. Ngihamba nani esandleni?
Khona nje into yami ngibeka kuyo.
All right.
Ngiyazi ukuthi omunye uzothi pre KB naye uzosho ukuthi how much
Yeah, how much?
deposit is 15,000.
Okay.
Kuze sithi 15,000 ijule kakhulu.
Okay. All right. So it's 30K. Deposit is 15,000.
Yes.
All right. Yeah, actually, Mtopul corner for you medical people, our servants are out there that need help and that deal with casualties. I mean, people have a fire in your hands. Prof. Sabo.
Ngibongile Brakim.